I think it's important to have a small conversation about the importance of learning AI tools such as ChatGPT or any of the other AI tools that will be coming out in the future, in the context of how this is important and relevant to virtual assistants such as yourself. When you start to look at what the AI tools can do, you can very quickly see that many of them can do a lot of the tasks that traditionally employers would hire a virtual assistant for: drafting emails, creating social media posts, and many other such tasks like this that oftentimes the employer would hire a human such as yourself to do these tasks, but now they can get an AI to do it for significantly cheaper and faster. So the analogy I'm going to have you think about is that ChatGPT or any other AI tool is not inherently good or bad. Similar to this knife. Think about this knife here. This knife is not good or bad inherently. It's just a tool. It's all based on what the holder of the tool, what's their intention. If you use this knife for good, you can use it to maybe cut some vegetables, cook some food, and feed your family. But if this knife is in the wrong hands, the same knife that was helping you cut vegetables and cook and feed your family, the same knife in somebody else's hands can be used against you to hurt you. So it's not that the tool is good or bad, it's how it's used. Keeping this in mind, I think that it's important to remember that as a virtual assistant, you always have to be upgrading your skills and making sure that you're relevant. And you don't want to be in the position where the AI technology is being used against you to replace you. You want to be in the position where you have learned the AI tools and it is now taking you from here to here in terms of productivity. You want to be able to show an employer that not only do you have your skills, but you have leveled up your skills by learning all these AI tools, which many employers know exist, but they just don't also have the time to learn about. So if you demonstrate that you are here to work, you have your own skill set, you are consistently improving and leveling up your skills, you now become a greater asset to the employer because the employer now gets you plus the AI knowledge that you have. And you now have the ability to leverage those AI tools for your benefit to boost your productivity, which then makes you more valuable to an employer. If you don't take advantage of these AI tools, if you don't learn about these, then what's going to happen is that other virtual assistants around you will be learning these tools. And while they're moving up in productivity, you're still staying here, which just means that you're going to become farther and farther behind. And potentially the AI will just replace you, and that's just it's somewhat the harsh reality of what the world is today. It's no longer sufficient to just put out a profile and say, I can help you with your emails, I can help you with your social media posts. Because frankly, a lot of AI tools can do that. What you want to do is be able to demonstrate to an employer that you can do it and you can do it better. And you can take your knowledge and your creativity and combine it with the AI's effectiveness and ideas. And together, you've got a better product that you can deliver to the employer. That's what employers want. So just keep this in mind with anything that you're doing with regards to learning about AI. You always have to look at it from the point of view that if I don't learn about this tool today, it might be used against me tomorrow. So better to have it on your side, right? So I just hope that this helped and just kind of gave you a different framework as to how to view AI in the coming workspace.